Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your time management with Todoist easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, ensure you have Todoist installed on your device. You can find it in the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the main dashboard. Here, you can see your tasks, projects, and various options. To create a new task, look for the plus icon, usually located at the top of the screen. Tap the icon to open the task creation menu. Enter a brief title for your task in the provided text box. You can add details to your task by tapping on the Add Details section. This area allows you to include descriptions, due dates, and priority levels. To set a due date, click on the calendar icon and choose the appropriate date. You can also set recurring tasks by selecting the frequency option. Next, organize your tasks into projects for better management. To create a new project, go to the sidebar and click on Projects. Tap the plus icon to add a new project and give it a name. Now, return to your task and assign it to the relevant project. This helps you keep similar tasks grouped together. Next, utilize labels to categorize your tasks further. Tap on the task and add labels that match your workflow. This will make filtering tasks easier later on. Now, let's explore the filter feature. Filters allow you to view tasks based on specific criteria like date or priority. To create a new filter, go to the Filters section and tap the plus icon. Define your filter parameters, such as showing tasks due today. Once done, save the filter for easy access. Another useful feature is the Comments section on tasks. You can add comments to a task for clarification or updates. This is especially beneficial for collaborative projects. It visually represents your progress and goal achievements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.